Adding Google Analytics to Shopify is a straightforward process that can help you track and analyze your website's traffic and behavior. To get started, you will need a Google Analytics account and a Shopify store. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account and create a new property by clicking on the Admin button. And then create property. Fill in the required information, including your website's name and URL, and click on the Get Tracking ID button. Next, sign in to your Shopify store and navigate to the Online Store section. Click on Preferences and then scroll down to the Google Analytics section. Paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the field provided and click on the Save button. Alternatively, you can also use the Google Analytics app from the Shopify App Store. To do this, navigate to the App Store and search for Google Analytics. Click on the Get button and then Install app. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Google Analytics account and authorize the app to access your data. Once you have set up Google Analytics, you can start tracking your website's traffic and behavior. You can view your analytics data by logging in to your Google Analytics account and navigating to the Reports section. Here, you can view metrics such as page views, bounce rate, and conversion rate. To get the most out of Google Analytics, it is essential to set up goals and events. Goals allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Events, on the other hand, allow you to track specific interactions, such as button clicks or video plays. By following these steps, you can easily add Google Analytics to your Shopify store and start tracking your website's traffic and behavior. This will help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategy to improve your online sales and revenue.